Growing garden annuals from seed is oftentimes a daunting task for many gardeners, but it's really quite simple. And if one takes a look at the kind of seedlings they want to grow and the techniques to grow it, it becomes a really easy process for the home gardener. We're going to look at growing two common garden annuals from seed, marigolds and zinnias. Both of them are quite easy and quite fast. Generally, for gardeners in Zone 5 here in Illinois, it takes about anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks to grow a usable transplant from seed. So that means we would not put these out in the garden until mid to latter part of May when danger of frost is past. So you just count back 4 to 6 weeks, and that gives you a time frame in which you can sow the seed and allow enough time to grow and not have the seedling get too tall. So timing is one issue. The other issue is do you grow in a community flat, meaning throw all the seeds down the row and then transplant from that flat into individual containers, or do you grow in the container that they will be transplanted from out into the garden? I prefer sowing seed direct into the cell packs for both marigolds and zinnias, bypassing the transplant stage. It makes it much easier. We have here a couple of examples. This here is a flat of marigold. As you can see, we were using a 4-cell pack and putting 1 to 2 seeds in every pack. You then moisten this thing, put it in a location where it's warm, and the seed will be up in about a week to 10 days. And what this does, now we have the seedling growing in the growing on container without any need to transplant. So it kind of eliminates a step. This then can be placed in a bright sunny location, grown on until ready to put out in the garden. So this way we eliminate a transplant stage. In the zinnia flat over here, you can see that the same thing was done, and here you can see multiple seed put in each cell. When they are at this stage right here, showing no true leaves, what we would do is come in and remove all but one seedling, thinning it out to one seedling per cell pack. And now what we've got is, again, we've got a flat of zinnias that will be grown in the container that they will be transplanted from, but we've eliminated the transplant stage. I think this is a much easier way to grow both marigolds and zinnias, easy crops from seed, as opposed to sowing a solid row, digging them up, putting them in individual cells. And this, again, is going to give you, I think, an excellent crop for the garden. So try that. If you're frustrated with sowing some of these seeds in a row flat, try them by direct sowing into the cells and then pulling out the additional seedlings, leaving one per cell to grow on for the garden.